wanted to do a braid and curl video. I've done it like twice and it came out really good. And I really like the length that it gives my hair and also the definition, because since I've been transitioning and natural, I've been only doing like twist outs and bantu knots. Those are my go-to styles. Those are my favorite styles actually. So I wanted to try a braid and curl. I wash my hair with, well, co-wash my hair with, as I am, coconut cleansing conditioner. And if you want to know what I think, I really like it. I'm at the point now where I need to wash my hair at least once a week. And I find that when I do my hair like this, it lasts a week until I need to wash my hair and do another style. So I'm just wetting my hair because my hair has dried out a lot. Let me get this stuff. So the leave-in that I'm using is the Jamaican Black Castor Oil leave-in. And these are new products that I'm trying out. You guys will know how I feel about them in a favorites video or something. But I really like how light it is and it doesn't weigh my hair down. And I like the smell. Even though a lot of people say it smells like Play-Doh, I really love the smell a lot. And I'm just doing the praying hands method to make sure it's distributed all over my hair. And I really wanted to do some bangs, but I have a speech that's due for my communication class tomorrow. And the lady doesn't like hair in your face or whatever the hell she says. And I'm just using Jamaican Black Castor Oil as my oil. I'm doing the LOC method, which is the leave-in oil and cream. And my cream is my homemade shea butter mix. And this is gonna seal in moisture in your hair and all that. I'm gonna split this section into two. I actually don't really use combs in my hair anymore. I just use my finger. Twist this out of the way. I'm sorry if you can hear my TV. I'm going to use a little bit of gel on the ends of my hair because I don't want my hair to be crunchy. And the ends are going to go on perm rods. So you need your hair to stick to the perm rods. And I like to make sure that my hair is even when I'm doing the 3 sections, so I don't have to take hair from another section, because when you do that it causes tangling, and when you're undoing these braids it takes a lot longer to undo them. And put in, I left an inch of hair at the end to put my get this section, split it into two, twist it away, get this section, detangle my hair a little bit, and get a bit of gel, about this much, slide it down the ends of my hair and work it in. Then I get my 3 sections evenly and I braid my hair. And if you want looser curls, you can do looser braids, but I like my curls to be tight so they last a lot longer and I don't have to re-braid my hair for a whole week. So yeah. And this is the amount of hair that I left.
How was your shoot? Good. Don't I look so tan with my shoot? Yeah, why are you so dark? Because they just make you dark. I'll show you the pictures, but these aren't retouched or anything. There's one. We're trying to pick which one.
A little bit of gel again.
I like that one the best. The hand on the floor. Courtney is like a different person. Well, she's like the old Courtney. And I think that, you know, she's carried the weight of someone else's issues for so long that it really had an effect on her and her personality. And now she's like back and she's on fire and she's loving life, and that just makes me so happy to see. Are you nervous? Like what people will think?
And don't worry about the white stuff that you see. That's just this shea butter mixing with the other products. When my hair is dry, it will go away. So basically that's it. I'm gonna finish the rest of my hair off camera, and you would sleep with a bonnet on your head or just something to get your hair, keep your hair protected. So I'll see you in the AM. Juice. Hi guys, so I unraveled my hair and this is how it looks. I just wanted to show you guys how it looks. I didn't sleek down my edges or anything yet, and my hair is like falling down now. It won't stay up anymore, so my hair is growing. So this is how it looks. I'm gonna come up, zoom you guys in so you can see the definition. So this is what the definition looks like on my hair. So this is how my hair turned out. It turned out amazing. Even my mom said it. So I hope you guys enjoy, and if you want to see more natural hair tutorials on my channel, please tell me so I can know, because I don't want to feel like I'm wasting my time uploading these videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Deuce.